Oh yeah, hello YouTube family. I'm making another one of these videos as I discovered more issues when I was trying to upgrade my GH5S to having ProRes RAW through the Atomos Ninja V, Ninja 5. And my next problem that I encountered was cable speeds. So what was happening was the camera would only record a maximum of like 16 seconds worth of footage in RAW, and then after that the signal just kept breaking and breaking and breaking. So what I discovered was cable. So I had to go out and actually buy a HDMI 2.1 8K cable. So I did have the Atomos 2.0 4K cable, which was great for, it could handle the ProRes speeds of 4K up to 60 frames. It was a nice, stable, well-built cable, but it could not handle the RAW. It just kept dropping out the signal. It was just unable to function. This would make my screen flicker, restart, on and off, and recordings were like seconds in length, if that, even just up to 7 frames at a time it was doing. So the cable could just not handle it. So that was the answer for me in that particular case. I had to upgrade. So this is just a normal 8K TV HDMI cable, and it was actually a lot cheaper than the Atomos official cable itself, which was a really expensive cable. It's like $120. I've left it rolled up because it does not have to travel too much distance from the camera to where the screen I have mounted on top. So that's the fix I had there when it was just flickering and the signal was just constantly breaking. It turned out to be a cable issue. So hopefully you found these videos useful. Check out the other ones if you need to. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and if I come up with more helpful tips in the future, I'll share them. I generally do short films and skits, so please enjoy those and have fun. Thanks for watching.